Hello friend, welcome back to this channel, and today's video I'm gonna show you how you can record your computer screen for free using OBS Studio. OBS Studio is a free software that allows you to record your PC, and that is what I'm gonna show you today. So if you don't have OBS installed on your system, check the description in the link below and download it for free. It is entirely free. So by the time you actually install it, then you launch it, and then you're going to see it like this. And once again, if you don't know how to install this software, check the description below. You will see a tutorial video that I've already made. But if you have OBS installed on your screen on your PC, then let's get started. So for you to actually record your PC screen, you have to note some setting, and it is this setting that will actually allows you to record your PC screen in a very good resolution, and it will be crisply clear. So let us go to the setting. So now here you have to go to the source, but you have make sure that a scene has already been created here. Of course, a scene will be there, like just a demo scene. Just come to this place, and then you click on add, and then by the time you click on add, you are going to click on display capture. So once you click on display capture, just leave it like this. You click on make source visible, and then you click on OK, and then you can also click on capture cursor, and then you click on OK. So by the time you do that, then you click on transition, so that's going to show at the right side of this place, you can see. And then what you have to do again before we actually click on the recording mode, there is a setting that it is very important. So you click on setting, and then by the time you click on setting, you go to output, and then you click on recording. So at this very place, you have to be so much careful with the setting, and you calm down because I'm going to explain it to you. At this type here, you leave it at standard recording part, that is where you want your video to be recorded. You can actually change it. I change it to video, recorded as video. And then at this recording format, some YouTubers actually, or content creator, used to click on MP4, but MP4 will not really be okay, because there's some situation whereby your video might, ceased, and then you may not be able to recover it again. But with the use of MKV, you will be able to recover it, and then leave other settings behind, and then you are going to click on apply. And once you click on apply, then you click on OK. Then the next thing to do is to click on start recording, and not start streaming. By the time you start recording, there you can begin to do whatever that you really want to do in your screen, and then surely it's going to display. So for example, let's say I'm just scrolling on my PC here, okay, and then I want to play some videos. I can do that. Whatever I want to do, I come to this place. You want to have a tutorial, you want to show someone how to use a software, you can use this OBS to actually work to record the something. So by the time you are done, come back to OBS, and then you click on stop recording. That is if you are true. So you're going to click on stop recording, and then it's going to stop the record. Then come to your file, that is where you actually saved the you save the direction. So actually I save it as video and under recorded video, and it will surely be this number 3, I guess. And then I actually want to play, or let me refresh. So I want to open it to see. So I'm using KMV video player. So is this, you can see that this is very clear and crispy using OBS software. I use it to actually record what is going on the screen. If you love this video, please give it a like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. In the next video, I'm going to show you how you can record your PC screen using another software entirely. And this software is also a video editor that have a recording platform. So see you in the next video.